Welcome, students. I am so excited to share with you our You Matter Kindness project that we will be doing this week. It is going to be a very exciting week for all of us. First thing that you need to know is that our school mission, in our school, every person, every individual, from every student to every staff member to our cafeteria workers to those maintenance individuals, our technology, our teachers, our secretaries, our administration is important, has value, and has strengths. In our school, we celebrate those things. I want you guys to know and keep in mind that you are a unique person. You're created for a specific purpose. Your gifts matter, your story matters, your dreams matter, and you matter. So keep that in mind this week as we go into developing our You Matter Kindness project. In this project this week, I want you to think about value, the value that you have as an individual, the value that you bring to our school every day, because you are important. We are here to help you, regardless of your role in this school. You are safe here and you are welcome here. In order to do that, we have expectations in our school. We all must hold each other accountable to these expectations. They include appropriate language, being kind to one another, and having zero tolerance for hateful, mean-spirited, rude, disrespectful, and offensive language towards any individual. The expectation is when we hear those kinds of things, our responsibility is to call that person out in a kind way and say, we don't talk like that here. That is the expectation that every person in this school will adhere to. This is the challenge for our You Matter Kindness project. I want you to do one kind thing for one person every day this week. It can be simple. It can be smiling at somebody, buying somebody a cup of coffee, telling somebody how much you appreciate them, sending them a text message, encouraging them with something that they've done well. Anything simple, a note, a post-it note, something that you can do to spread kindness to just one person. So if you think about that, that means with the individuals in our organization in 1 week, we will have reached almost 80,000 kind acts in our building in 1 week. That would be 100% total success. And I know that it can be done because we do not ever want to underestimate the power of a single act of kindness. Your act may just be the added lift that someone needs to go from falling to flying. So here's what we're going to do this week with our You Matter progress. Every time you received a kind act, you're going to send a text message to Kind12 with a simple message of what happened. Our live text feed will be displayed on all of the school monitors. And then at the end of the week this Friday, we're going to celebrate all of our acts of kindness at our You Matter assembly. I'm looking forward to the great acts of kindness we're going to do to ensure that our school is a safe, kind place where every person feels valued and matter as a part of this institution.